The vegetation of Australian ecosystems includes dominant species such as the eucalyptus or gum tree and acacia or wattle. The northern interior has extensive but sparse grasslands, and the driest zones have scattered desert grasses and shrubs, but no cacti. Queensland has dense tropical forests, figure 11.10. Aborigines and Australian ecosystems. As Aborigine populations grew, they may have reduced local populations of major game species such as kangaroos, but the most significant environmental change they implemented was the transformation of vegetation through the use of fire. Aborigines used fire both to improve grazing for game and to drive animals to hunters. Ecologists believe that over thousands of years, some Australian vegetation became more resistant to these fires. The Great Barrier Reef. Australia has some of the world's most iconic marine and coastal ecologies, such as the Great Barrier Reef, which is a United Nations educational, scientific, and cultural organization, UNESCO, World Heritage Site. Fringing the northeast coast of Australia, the reef is more than 2,000 kilometers, 1,250 miles, long and easily visible from space. The reef's biodiversity is remarkable. Diving below the surface, the visitor encounters intricate and colorful corals and waving sea grasses that are home to millions of brilliant fish and marine animals such as turtles, whales, and dugong, large seal-like mammals, figure 11.11. The reefs were formed over millions of years from the skeletons of marine coral organisms in the warm tropical waters of the Coral Sea. More than 2 million tourists a year visit the reef and participate in activities that include fishing, diving, snorkeling, and reef walking. The reef is at risk from human activity that includes climate change, which causes ocean acidification and coral bleaching from higher ocean temperatures, fishing with large nets that damage reefs, chemical and sediment pollution from rivers that run through farmland, predation on coral by the crown of thorns starfish, shipping accidents, and coastal development, including new ports and tourist facilities. New Zealand ecosystems.